We're going to talk about the VA loan. What is a VA loan? Well, it's from the Veterans Administration. And this loan was set up many decades before for soldiers returning back, really went after World War II, and they came back in so they could help go buy a house, right? When we look at the VA loan, people think that, oh, it's just for retired veterans, or it's only for active military, and it's not for the National Guard or the Coast Guard, on and on and on. Let me clear up some myths. It can be for retired, disabled, and active military. And when we think of military, automatically we think Army, Air Force, Navy, Marines, right? This also applies to the Coast Guard and the reserves. So if you think about it, we've got all covered under this. This is such a versatile product for our military, is the fact that there are so many options they can do, right? And it fits them because, again, it's the military move all the time, right? So they need a product that understands the military life. And this is what this does. And the thing is that there's a myth out there, and I just got to share this because I think this is hilarious. There's a myth out there, just because they're in the military, they may have a lower credit score, and that's why they gave them the VA loan, blah, blah, blah. It's not that at all. The average military person has the same credit score as Joe the banker down the road. So what this is meant to be is fitting the needs of our military so they can get a mortgage. A person, veteran, active military, they can come in with 0% down on a purchase. Remember we talked about the other products where you're going to need like so much percent down payment on a purchase? With the VA, they don't have to have anything. They just zero. And that's very good for our military. And so when you look at that, it's like, oh my God, I can open up so many windows with this loan. And they do take into account the lower credit score because military families move. Like the other products we talked about earlier, with the VA loan, you can also refinance your current VA loan. You can take money out, equity, a cash out loan, or we call what is a rate and term. Now, one thing about the VA loan where they're strict is that we actually have to show you as a veteran or active military person that this is a positive net benefit for you. So people can't just go say whatever they want to say and say, oh yeah, this is great for you. We actually have to show it to you, and we have to show you a certain percentage that we have to save you on a refi. So that's a little bit more protection for you. The last thing I want to add to this video is that our military have earned this, and they deserve this. So that's why we love serving our military. If you have any ideas or any questions or need to know anything, click below and let's talk, and let's see how different options we do with the VA loan.